Watching Republic TV now. As India battles the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic, the police force is leading from the front, ensuring all citizens follow the norms and have advised them to stay indoors as much as possible. We have one such police officer, Dipali Bhargava, the SDM of Kanpur Dehat, joining us on the broadcast. Good morning to you, Dipali. Do take us through the COVID situation in Kanpur and what advice are you giving to the citizens at this point of time as India battles the second wave of COVID-19?
And I pray to God, all Indians, all people in this world should save themselves from this COVID pandemic, follow all the protocols, stay safe, stay protected, multi-layer security and protection should be used, and social distancing to be maintained. All medicines, please take all vaccination campaigning which government is running. This should be supported by all people. Here we face so many problems during vaccination campaigning. People were not willing, but I request all people, all citizens, you should come forward and just motivate and inspire people for this vaccination campaigning and all.
Dipali, we are also learning that your father had succumbed to COVID-19, but still you have continued your duty in the fight against COVID-19. Our deepest condolences to you. What has kept you motivated enough and to move forward at this point of time, and what kind of support you have been given?
Yes, I was supported at all aspects and all fronts by my senior officers, my family, my husband. They supported me a lot. I was totally broken on 25th at the demise of my father. But by the evening after his cremation, my husband motivated me, and on 25th April was supposed to be poll day of our Tahsil Bhoglipur. But he convinced me that you should go forward and just take lead. And I just came forward and I did what my father wanted, what my family wanted, what my officers wanted.
Absolutely, you have put your duty first in the midst of a personal tragedy. Those viewing this broadcast today, Dipali's father had died, but still she has performed her duty as the SDM of Kanpur Dehat. In fact, reviewing the poll preparedness of the Panchayat elections. Could you take us through some of those moments that you were going through while performing your duty?
Yes, I was very sad and down because of this tragedy in my family. But at every level, my senior officers, my junior officers, I strategically put them for this while preparing for this 26th poll day. And my DM sir, my ADM sir, my husband Praveen, my family, my daughter, they all supported, and my junior, my subordinate also supported, especially my Tahsildar, my Nayab Tahsildar. Whatever problem we were facing at law and order front or in ballot front, we keep on moving, and we managed somehow.
Right.
And that was a great day at the end.
It must certainly have been a very tough time for you, and many people who also are watching on this broadcast, many of them also take COVID-19 lightly. You know, some people also do not follow the basic COVID norms, the basic COVID appropriate behavior, as simple as maintaining social distancing, also wearing of masks. I see that you also worn one today as well, and you also are a frontline worker, telling people also the basic COVID guidelines as well. What have you been seeing in your area, and how have you been at the forefront telling people that, about the second wave of COVID-19?
People are still not very serious, and at rural level, at rural places, this is social distancing and use of masks is very rare. But we are trying hard, we are distributing masks, we are distributing sanitizers. We are just campaigning about maintaining social distances, but at some fronts we are lagging.
We're also seeing elections being conducted in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and where you were inspecting the polling booths at the Panchayat elections. Now, how difficult was it to in fact conduct these elections at the Panchayat level and educate the people at the grassroots? Because certainly it's a difficult time to in fact implement COVID-19 measures, at the same time also taking care that the elections are held in a smooth and fair manner.
We tried our best. We maintained social distancing
At all booths. We placed our COVID teams very active on booths using these infrared thermometer oximeters, and we took care of all polling parties also, and we replaced immediately who were not well or still we used different kind of measures like social distancing circle were drawn at the booths so that people will stand there and will cast their vote. But there were some problems at the peak times, early morning or late evening. But we tried our best and people supported us.
Right, it takes many people to support and implement the measures to in fact conduct smooth elections. Dipali, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast and sharing with us your story today. Also, before I let you leave, one last message to the government and to the people of the nation.
Stay safe, stay healthy, maintain social distance, use mask.
Thank you so
I
much
miss
for joining.
my father very much.
Right. Thank you for coming on the broadcast. And we have some more breaking news coming in at this point of time.